Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're actually going to be talking about Canva. Many of us have heard of Canva and some people have not. But for the people who have not heard of Canva and you're interested in something that you can actually use to create a design that you actually want to create, definitely check out Canva. With Canva, you can actually create posters, business cards, as well as postcards, email headers and banners, and many more. I mean, the list goes on. All you have to do is set up a free account and you actually can get started and start creating top-notch designs. And they actually have so much to choose from, and you don't have to be a designer at all. Like the different type of designs they have for you to get started, you can go ahead and start creating something fast and simple, as well as they have things that you can do to create a design from scratch. So for right now, we're actually going to walk through, and as you can see, they have Instagram posts that you can create, a Facebook post, Facebook cover, and things like that. So let's say we want to go ahead and create, let's see, a YouTube thumbnail. All right, and all the thumbnails that you see, they have music, YouTube thumbnails, food, YouTube thumbnails. So let's just say we're going to go with the first one that is already created for us, but you actually can go in and edit it yourself. So instead of it saying DJ Crystal Amber, I can go ahead and put DJ Keesh. And let's say instead of that month, we can switch that and put March 31st. All right, and let's say we want to switch the background picture. Let's go to uploads, and I already have a picture right here, so click that in there like that. What you can do, click that background. Actually, you can delete that. So actually, I'll be bringing my picture so you can see that be much better. So let's bring that down. And just like that, something simple you can actually use, and I can use that for a thumbnail. So I put DJ Keesh March 31st playlist, and what you can do after that, you can just actually go to download. Actually, I can go to download, and it says suggested PNG, or you can also use JPG, things like that, but we're going to go with the high quality image. Click on download. Even though it says try for 30 days Canva, just remember this website is still free. They are just suggesting, so you can actually have more to offer and you can have more features to use. But using a free software, I'm good to go. I can just exit out or continue editing and things like that. So now that that is done, let's go ahead and open it up. And there you have it right there. It says DJ Keesh March 31st playlist, and that right there, I just created my own thumbnail that I can use for YouTube, or I can also use it for Twitter, Facebook, and things like that. So I mean, Canva is a very great site to use. I mean, I suggest it. I've actually created different posts with Canva. Hold on, let's see. Actually, a lot of my thumbnails comes from Canva, so I'll just show you a few that I've actually created with Canva. Like I created this one right here, you know, as far as a thumbnail for my YouTube. Exit that out. So I actually use Canva a lot. It comes in handy, like I said. And also I created this one. I mean, check that out. It is also available for Android and iOS, so that's also a plus for this website. You can access this anytime on multiple devices, so that's perfect. It is not only for a website only, so a lot of people are out and about. You can actually create a post right then and there, so you can't beat that at all. So I just wanted to share Canva with you all. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to contact me. The information will be in the description box. And I hope you guys have a good day. Be blessed. Take care.